Welcome to No Fear Cooking, and today you see these beautiful young three girls. They are visiting with Elena. Elena is having the nieces here. It's Ashley.
Hello.
Make the introduction. Annabelle.
Hi.
And Jacqueline is here. And it's my dream. I'm always saying, let's work with young people. So here they are, wanted to help making minestrone soup. And minestrone soup is a lot of vegetables. And this is going to be minestrone alla Ascoli Puccino because it's Blaine's family from Italy. But every area has a different recipe. Do we do in Romania?
Yeah, usually it's called chorba.
Lots of vegetables?
Yes.
Lots of vegetables, yes. Do you like the chorba?
Yeah.
It's good, right? Yeah. And it's going to be an easy recipe. We need to prep first, though. So we are having station 1 here with Ashley. Annabelle, you have section 2, and number 3 is Jacqueline. So I'm going to be a little bit in between helping. We are starting with cleaning and chopping the vegetables. I see they're already washed. And let's just go chop them. So we start with Bok Choy. Ashley, would you like to do that? Oh, I'm so excited. They're a breath fresh of air here to have them. So we'll do the vegetables. Would you like to do the potato, Annabelle? Thank you. And Jacqueline, the green beans. So I'm going to do the onions because it's really strong yellow onions. I love the onions. Did I tell you that I love onions in our soups, in a lot of food? I can eat it just sauteed, but it's delicious. So prep times will take about 3 minutes with all the help we have today, right? What do you think, Ashley?
Yeah.
And in between we can talk about Romania a little bit. How many days you been here now?
So we've been here, I think, since what, Wednesday or Thursday?
Wow.
So, yeah, just a couple days.
Yeah, you're still a little bit yes, yeah. Aunt Elena is very happy.
Yeah.
Oh,
Happy to come and see her.
I
She
know.
wasn't able to make it to Romania, so we made it here.
Yep, I'm so happy for her too. She's like a sister to me, so all excited. And your mom and dad is not going to have time to miss you yet, right? It's only 5 days or so. So these little onions, I don't know if you have them in Romania, if you use them. It's called shallots. And it's a taste of an onion, but with a little bit hint of garlic.
Okay.
And it's very tasty in a soup. So today I have 2 extra ones, and I'm going to use this. How is the potatoes going?
Good.
Is it going good? Good. I'm going to let you have that there. And you like that gadget?
Yeah.
I know, you have one?
Yeah.
I heard that. So if you want to cut your potato, that's good. So prep time, again, about the 4 of us here will be about 3 minutes to 4. And once we have the prep done, it's going to go so fast. 1, 2, 3, I call it, and it's done. It's ready. It's really perfectly. What else do we have to do then? Oh, green beans are good. You cut them very nice. Very good. I'm just going to let this go. And I have one. Oh, this is ready. And I'm going to use also my gadget for cutting vegetables in it. Yeah, you can do. Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Good job! Yay! That's right. And once we have the vegetables ready, we'll just go to start with sauteing the onions together with carrots and celery, and we'll follow the rest. Will be very nice minestrone soup. So with this, we're going to say bye for right now, but we are coming back. Would you like to say hi to your mom and dad?
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy.
Anybody else?
And all of our brothers and sisters.
Yay!
Yeah, too long to say them all.
Everyone. So
Yeah.
we are coming back once we have everything ready. Prep. Prep is done. We have everything chopped. Was it easy?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Yeah, not too hard. All the vegetables are done, and now we are going to saute. I have already the olive oil or whatever oil you have, almost half a cup. And now we can throw in, very easy, the onions, celery, and carrots. We might just put a little bit salt, like a teaspoon of salt in it. Thank you, Annabelle. You can sprinkle, yeah. Wow, I can see that you do like to be in the kitchen too. Are you in the kitchen a little bit to help mom and dad?
Yeah.
Who likes the baking more? You're the baking? And who likes to cook more? I know. And you like the gadgets. So we are going to come back in 5 minutes. We'll saute it very nice and slow. Mix once in a while, right? Thank you, Babette, for reminding us. Right. And back in about, remind me, 5 minutes to do the next step. Now it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and done. So I'm so happy to have you over. Thank you for coming. Yes. Very good day. We'll see you back. Prep time was easy, and now the onions are sauteing. They smell good? They smell good?
Yeah.
Oh, and I have such a great crew here. It's so easy for me today. We are going to add now 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste, and that's a very big secret because it's going to give such a good taste to our, is it called what, the soup today? Minestrone alla Ascoli. And we'll continue mixing, and the flavor will be out of this world. You won't believe it, it's a vegetarian soup. I'll just put a little bit pasta at the end, very small amount, 1/4, and now we can mix it in. And it's good when you add paste to cook it for about a minute. This way it's going to get all the flavors in. If you like to finish, Annabelle, the tomatoes, we have a whole can of tomatoes there, and that will be adding very soon to our soup. The minestrone soup is delicious. You can make it any time, winter, summer. Actually, it's good summer. And then, Ashley, would you like to do the zucchini? It's a huge zucchini, but usually I use 2, but this is a very big one, so we'll just use 1. And you can cut it the way you like to. It's perfect. Yes, it's so nice when you have a whole kitchen full of young girls here. Thank you. Thank you, Elena, for letting them come today, and mom and dad. Now we are ready for the next step. This was very nice mixed in. Would you like to add now the potatoes?
Okay.
And right directly from there, it's good, you cut them. It's a nice chopper, right?
Yeah, really.
Very easy. All right, now we are doing the green beans next. Now we are building up the soup small, little by little. Green beans in. Next will be the tomatoes, please, Annabelle. And they're nice chopped, it's very good. And let me see, one more thing for now will be the beans and the bok choy.
Beans.
Beans and bok choys, yeah. Beans are in. So we are building in 3 steps now the soup. And we have about 8 cups of water, that's all we need. And the water, I warm it up a little bit, so we'll go a little bit faster. So let's put it in and let's give it a good mix. And we are coming back. If you like a little bit more water, add it, but I think will be perfect. We are coming back once everything is cooking. We'll take 15 minutes for the potatoes, and we are coming back for the last step. Easy, good? No fear? No fear, right? Yes. We are coming back in 15 minutes. Potatoes will be done. But instead of cabbage, we use bok choy, so it's pretty easy. Coming back in 15 minutes. Let's take a break. happy, healthy, terrific day cooking together today. I'm so excited and happy, and will taste good. We'll have lunch together, right? And we'll have a portion for Elena. Yes, somebody else might come at the door. We'll have plenty. So building up on the minestrone soup was easy. Cutting was fun. And now we are going to do some cheese. Annabelle, if you want to shave it for the end, we need it. One more step, we have to do the zucchini. So Ashley, would you throw in the zucchini? Just throw them in, and we'll take 5 minutes. Zucchini is the last one to put in. What other vegetables would you use if you don't have zucchini? Anything else? Anything, yeah. We can use any vegetables actually. And then also the pasta, Ashley, if you want to add the pasta. I chose the very small pasta and just a quarter, barely enough to find it in the minestrone soup. Ascoli Puccino, thank you for teaching us a nice minestrone soup, and the Parmesan is going to look absolutely perfect in this soup. It's a tasty soup with the Parmesan in it. Just shave a few slices. So coming back in 5 minutes, and then we are done to taste it. What else we need? Oh, a little bit of pepper and salt. A little bit of pepper. 1 second. Don't go away, camera, Nathaniel. Thank you. And a teaspoon, another teaspoon. We tasted in between. And it did need another. This is great to have these young girls here. Thank you. So excited. Now I don't know what to do. Nathaniel will help next all the time. And the kitchen is clean too. It's so fast. So thank you. So we are coming back in 5 minutes and we'll be done with the soup. Minestrone soup, it's ready. All these vegetables. Isn't it beautiful colors?
Yeah.
Healthy and bright. And we are going to add a little bit of parsley with a new gadget for Annabelle. And if you like this gadget at the end, you can have it, Annabelle. You can use it at home. Take it to mom, right? Yeah. Yes. Yeah, you can cut a little bit more. And if you like to add maybe a spoon of fresh olive oil in your plate, it's good. Would you like to taste it for us? Jacqueline, this is good. Yeah, let's see. We added more salt, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon altogether. What do you think?
Good.
It's good? Salt enough?
Yeah.
Pepper?
Perfect.
Good job. We're going to take a break and then we'll try our soup. And till next time, manja manja. And hello to the whole family here and everywhere else. Arrivedere. Mangia mangia.